Merry Christmas, everyone!
Good morning. Thank you very much.
Thanks very much, enjoy.
Why have I got 2 tickets?
One's normal one's paid tickets, one's carer's tickets. Here we go. Hello. Hello, good morning. Thank you.
Have you come from far?
No, just
Oh, not too far then.
not too far.
One of these.
Yes, I think I've booked them 10 to 13 for the present.
Have you?
Yes.
Right. Okay. Good. If they feel nervous, shy or happy and don't want to tell Father Christmas, you can always point them out.
That's amazing.
Okay? Enjoy the day.
Thank you so much.
Yes, enjoy the day.
Thank you. Right,
Cheers now.
Did you say thank you? You've got a badge. Look, thank you very much.
Okay, pleasure.
Hello, good morning.
Welcome.
Chili chops.
Oh, there you go. You're welcome. You want one, guys? Yeah, you're welcome.
Would you like a candy cane?
Do you like one?
What'd you say?
You're so welcome.
Thank you very much.
Lovely day.
Thank you, you too. You want to say hello to Mr. Christmas?
Excited, yeah.
Is it? You're on the train? Yeah.
Frozen, yeah. It's like from Frozen. Let's go try a picture. Let's have a picture. Goodbye.
Thank you, bye-bye. Hello. You look, oh, sorry. You look fantastic.
Tremendous is the word.
Tremendous. Brilliant.
You get the terminology right, my dear. Okay. Go and have a lovely time.
Oh, we will. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, yes, bud. It's for you. Thank you, sorry.
Adults, got alcohol in.
Oh, have they?
Yeah.
Oh, you won't be drinking it. Thank you. Let me see what's in here. Oh, right. Were the children's ones then?
No, these are adults.
Oh.
These are for the adults.
Right. Right, okay. Hello.
Can I interest you in a raffle ticket for a £150 Christmas hamper in support of our preservation group?
I knew he was going to say that. It's cash, isn't it? Yeah. Just let me read the
I can
children.
do card.
Oh no, it's card. You can do card. No, fantastic.
It's £1 a ticket or a £5 a bond.
Give us a £5 a box.
Yeah.
It's a train, that Christmas train.
Okay, but that we can get a Christmas train after.
Get one when we get back.
We'll have to carry it round, won't we?
On the train, come back.
Come back and then we'll come on the train. With that.
Driver's
No,
hat.
he's not leaving that, is he?
No.
Just hold that.
Oh, it's too little. He wants it on his head.
Cat.
Oh, fantastic.
Oh, come here. Oh.
Very last one, but yeah.
Oh, we can just put it on like that. He won't mind.
You get that after.
No.
No.
We have this in every single shop we go in.
Come back after.
Yeah, for now.
Yes, we can go and get on, that's fine. Oh, it's getting a bit windy.
Strong as it's springy. It's rolling.
Here we are. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, dark.
Here we go.
Exactly.
Press it down. That's it. I thought you got in your goodie bag. Ooh, little bottle of Baileys for the grown-ups. What else are you getting there? And a mince pie. And a leaflet, thank you very much. And is there nothing else in there? I thought you got a cup. There's a cup in the bottom.
I didn't know you were counting that.
Well, how would you drink that? You're going to be swigging it out the bottle?
Yes.
That's a nice little gift set for the grown-ups, isn't it? Thank you. Perfect.
Well, we can have a look, maybe.
He said when you come back, you can go back. Are you alright, Dee? Josh isn't.
Oh, dogs, yeah.
Welcome aboard the East Lancashire Railway Summer Special. We are so excited to have so many of you with us today. My name is Jolly the Elephant. As we start, just a little health and safety message. The night wanderer not to stick his tongue out any of the elves passing through the train today, or he will go straight onto the naughty list again this year.
Thank you.
Christmas tree, Josh. Christmas tree.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh, we've got a sparkly
Do you like
tree.
What did they get?
Oh,
Chocolate. Oh, did they give some? Oh, that was kind. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? You got some crayons as well. Yeah? Some chocolate lines.
You've got a silly tray.
Okay.
No, I've got a silly tray.
Alright, so there's your eyes. Show me your eyes. Show me your eyes. There's your nose. There's your nose. Where's your mouth?
Yeah, when it's the way around.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Oh, dress and where did it go?
You got a clean lot of black beans.
Exactly!
Wonderful.
What did it thank you?
Yes, we have our badges. Wonderful. There we go. Wonderful. Have we got everybody?
Oh my, okay. Thank you. Right, lovely, thank you. Is that what you got for Father Christmas? Oh, it's an experiment, isn't it? Wow, we'll have to try that at home. Let's have a look. What did you get, mister? They've got a nice bag with it as well.
And that's it. It smells. Yeah.
Oh, that looks good with fruit.
Yeah, the fruit.
You think you'll be alright with this? Because they did say that we could change it if it's not suitable for a different present. Yeah? We'll give it a try. Eh?
So I'm bringing you back the rubbish and sending them all to you.
Hi. Are we ready for some singing? Yeah. Okay, read all for 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, yeah. Well done, everyone. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Say bye to Santa.
Santa. Merry Christmas. See me soon.
Yes,
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Bye Santa, thank you very much. Right, we're here now. Okay, here now. We're getting off at the other side.
Okay.
Yeah? Come on then. That's it. There we go. Oh, it's raining very hard.
Merry Christmas.